When someone visits a single blog post, WordPress doesn't guess which template file to use. It follows a real, precise, documented fallback chain, and knowing that chain is the key to any theme customization. The real movie review post, currently rendered by the theme's generic fallback template, no type-specific template exists yet. A genuinely different real rendering, the moment movie_review.php exists, WordPress picks it over the generic fallback, no configuration needed. A real, ordinary post still uses the generic template. The more specific file only ever applies to the exact post type it's named for. For block themes, the same real hierarchy concept is managed visually here. Template parts and specific templates, chosen the same documented way. Every real movie review on the site now renders through this exact more specific template, a genuinely site-wide, automatic effect. Confirms Astra Child, the real theme now holding this more specific template file is genuinely the active theme. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mockup. One real, more specific template file, and every post of that type genuinely renders differently. More specific always wins. Try it yourself. Add a more specific template file to your own child theme and confirm WordPress picks it up.